Hey guys, it's Jessica Leichtweisz, and I'm here about to go hiking with my dog. And here's the thing, I'm committed to making videos to help your family, because no matter where I am, I'm thinking about you, because I know autism doesn't stop for your family. So someone sent me in a question this morning. It was a really, really great question, and I'm answering it with this video. And that's, is it better to get my child ABA therapy or verbal behavior therapy? Those are exactly the same thing. Today, those terms are used interchangeably. So applied behavior analysis, that's what it stands for, ABA therapy, is the science of behavior. Essentially what it means is you're going to modify what happens before the behavior and what happens after the behavior to make it more likely or less likely to occur again. Now, verbal behavior is the piece of that that's used to teach children with autism to speak. It studies the different type of verbal operants, and I have other videos on that. There'll be end cards at the end of this video. You can check them out, and you can watch them there. But really, what it means is it's going to teach your children the different components of speech, and it's going to be using those same principles of ABA in it. No verbal behavior program is completely eliminating all the other principles of ABA, and no ABA program could possibly be done without using verbal behavior. So don't worry, two different people call them two different things, but it's like tomato, tomato. It's exactly the same. So rest assured, whichever provider, whatever your provider's calling it, it's exactly the same thing. So I really hope that video was helpful. I'm going to go on my hike. Thank you so much for following my content. Listen, if you are a subscriber to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. If not, please subscribe to this content. I make videos just like this for you all the time. Parents send me in questions and I answer them almost every day. One more thing, there's special offers that only people get who are on my email list. Sometimes I just have a free afternoon and I'll have an hour open. I'll email my list out and be like, okay, who wants a free call? And the first person to respond gets a free call. Sometimes I do webinars that I don't post online, and a lot of my content that I put ebooks out, I'll send them out to my list. Some of that stuff you have to pay for if you're not on my list, but if you're on my list, you get it for free. So make sure to go to hopeeducationservices.com, get on my list so you can never miss any of this content. Thanks guys, take care.